Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna go over how to download and install fonts specifically for Adobe Creative Cloud. So first thing you want to do is go to Google, type in Adobe fonts, and then you'll see it here. You click that, which will lead you to here, and then from there you have to log in. So I'm gonna click on that. Make sure to use your official MTSU email account. Do not use your personal email account, especially when you first sign up for the Adobe Creative Cloud application. When you sign up for it, if you sign up using your personal email, you're gonna run into a lot of issues where you'll get delayed by probably a week or two to clear up the technical mess that probably will happen. It's happened before, and avoid it at all cost. So just stick to your own MTSU email. Yeah, regarding installing the Adobe Creative Cloud and the sign in and all of that. Anyway, so you'll be here, and then here's Adobe fonts. You could browse through. Let's say you choose something like this one. You see how it looks like. So I'm just looking, and instead of add font, use add family, and that'll package the entire collection of this type of font. So as soon as you do that, you'll see this. You want to make sure to click on this open app. So when you click on open app, it'll take you to the Creative Cloud desktop. This is the application. This is not a website, it is a application. Install family, this is the one under here. Click on that. It says installed, and that's how you install Adobe font, different styles. Make sure that you have After Effects or any Adobe products closed before trying to use the fonts that you just installed, because chances are it won't recognize it. You have to close the application and then it'll relist it. Okay, that's pretty much it. Bye.